Introduction to PowerShell. So these are the topics that we're going to cover today. What is the PowerShell? How to install PowerShell? What is CMD let command? Variables and data types in PowerShell? Statements in PowerShell? Looping in PowerShell? And array and hash table in PowerShell. So if we talk about what is the PowerShell, so PowerShell is the command line shell scripting language we use to give a direct commands. It is developed by Microsoft for automation. It is built on a .NET framework for flexibility and more performance. You can manage it to run on every operating system, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and replace traditional CMD with advanced features. PowerShell installation processes that you can download from Microsoft Visual website. You can choose 5.1 or above version of Windows PowerShell. You can check your system requirement before installing because you need to check your all the requirement that your system supporting or not. You run installer as administration for permission. Restart system if promoted for changing. You're gonna require to download VS Code after downloading PowerShell because VS is a light framework code editor. You can download from the Visual Studio official website. It is available on Windows, Linux, Mac OS. You need to set in Windows. You need to set your path for getting it working, and VS Code also support PowerShell extensions. The extension like syntax highlighting, intelligence, and etc. And in VS Code, you have a terminal to run your scripts. And this is the main topic in a PowerShell. What is CMD let commands? So the CMD let commands, they are a verbs and noun that you use to do some functionality in our PowerShell. Example like get help, set content, start services, for set subject. Use pipeline for chaining commands. Built-in aliases for shorter syntax. Okay, after writing you get some type of output. Then we have PowerShell variable, which is help us to store data. For using PowerShell, don't we use dollar symbol prefix, and there is a no strict type declaration needed in PowerShell. You can assign it by using the equal operator. Example as using server. I provide the value localhost as a string. This is case insensitive but follow conventions. Then you have PowerShell data types. As we study data types in other programming languages, these are like string, integer, boolean, array, hash tables, custom objects. String, as we have example like hello PowerShell. Integer like 5 minus or negative integer. Boolean have two values, true or false. Array collections, we have numbers, strings, etc. In a hash table, we donate using the at name Alice, or we can create our custom objects. Then you have array in PowerShell. So array is just a store order collection of items. You can select them using the index. You need to separate all the items using the commas. The syntax value starts from 0. You can mix multiple data types in your array. Use at for an empty type array. Example like color, we red, green, blue. Then these are the other functions that you perform on an array like count property. You can add item using the plus equal operator. For iterating over looping the values you can use for each. Then this is the minus G command with property for filtering your array. You can sort them also. You can create a multi-dimension array by using multiple arrays in your single array. Then you have a hash tables in PowerShell. Hash table store key value pairs, which is created with at key values symbols. keys are unique and case sensitive. That means ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀਸ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਯੂਨੀਕ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ, ਮਤਲਬ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ ਵੱਖਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ, ਸੇਮ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ। ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, we created a user, they provided the values like name Alice, age 30. For accessing this value we can use the name, after dot we can provide the key name and we get the value. So these are other functions that we perform on hash table, like user.key to get all the keys values. I use contained key name. You can remove the key using remove today. Thank you everyone.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.